careful when he has to know what's coming. Go, I was fucking.
Oh my god, dog.
Where's his dick at? Oh, there you go. I see it. It is lit up on the outside. I can tell. It's like I'm a wiener. Put it on his chest. Come on, bro.
1, 2, 3.
You okay?
What you sketch? What you put a spatula?
You okay?
I think so. What you put a spatula? What a spatula? You trying to say it?
I think anything. This the mayonnaise, the yogurt. Yeah, this little boy. We ain't showing our faces, but this little boy, he finna get pranked. So yeah, all right. There he go. He sleep. Wait, hold on. Bro, are you laying on the couch with stuff on you?
You know me.
Huh?
You get to know me.
Oh, alright. Alright. You know I love you. I love you, cousin. You know that? You know that? Do you know that? Man.
You know this man.
He knocked out. Wait. Wait. Hold on. Wait, hold on. This booty. We gotta get there. Wait, stop. Okay, this the booty. And that's the booty. I already spanked him in his dick, y'all. Just make him in his bed. Okay, hold on, bro. Hold on, we gotta get... Oh, shit. I don't care. Ready? Wait, I can't get the booty if I do that. Hold on. Bro, you gonna have to hold it. Okay, hold on. Ready?